video is an instructional video on how to use Padlet. First, you'll want to click on the Padlet link. This takes you to a screen that looks like this, with questions in a row at the top. When you find the answer to a question using the timeline links that are provided on the website, you'll go to the question that you'd like to answer. You'll click the comment button in the bottom right corner of that question, and then you'll type your answer. Once you've typed your answer, you'll hit the arrow in the bottom right corner, and this will submit your comment. You can also click on that same comment box to view other people's comments on what they've posted. You'll repeat this process for each of the 5 questions that you have to answer.